I have to replace a dimmer with yellow, red and black wires. Lutron Skylark, my new dimmer, has black, red and red/white striped. How do these match up?
Hello. Welcome to JustAnswer. Is there a second switch that controls the lights your new switch will control?
This switch controls my foyer light fixture, which is also controlled in 3 other locations. I am replacing all switches and receptacles in this area. I already replaced 2 other switches for this light and they were 4-way switches, 2 black screws and 2 brass. The current switch I am working on is a dimmer and the last one that controls this is also a dimmer, which I don't have any need for and will replace with a regular switch.
Thank you for the additional information. I will need to research some info about each of your switches. Or, if you have a meter that reads continuity, we can take readings on each switch in order to properly identify the function of each lead. I work full-time away from this site and typically just check for replies in the morning before I leave for the day. If it's okay with you, I'll follow up with you this afternoon, around 4 p.m. Eastern Time. Thank you.
No problem, I will not be back home until the evening. Here is more information. Unfortunately, I do not have a meter. I can tell you that the wires connected to the dimmer I am replacing are as follows. Dimmer wires to junction box wires. Yellow, purple. Black, purple. Red, blue. The 4-way switches in this series had 2 purple wires for inputs and 2 purple wires for outputs in both cases. Does this make the purple travelers and the blue in the current location is my common? Thanks. The original dimmer appears to be a Leviton, probably original to the house, so 20 years old.
Thanks for posting the additional info. Typically, on a 3-way or 4-way switch setup, when 2 wires connected to a 3-way are the same color, those are the travelers. The second color is either a constantly hot wire from the source, or it is the switched hot that goes up to the lights. So, I would start by assuming the 2 purple wires are travelers, and the blue wire is the oddball. The proper name for the blue when connecting to a 3-way switch is common. According to the instructions I found online, the red and red/white striped wires are your travelers on the new switch. That being the case, connect red to one purple, red/white to the other purple, and black, from switch, to blue, box wire. If that doesn't work, please let me know.
Thank you. I will give that a try.
Sounds good. Please let me know how it works out. Thank you.
Everything worked. Thank you.
I'm glad to hear that. Please consider rating my service. Thank you for the opportunity to help. Have a great day.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/ythi.